Yes. Now, asthma. Now, be the matter where we they bring on top Health Corner for your Good Morning Naija show with me, your one and only Dr. Adora. We don't dey yarn you everything we you supposed know about this asthma, plus one way they happen for inside adults, for the one way they plus one way they happen for inside children. We don't give you some of the symptoms and how the thing they do. Well, we won't tell you now. You know when they talk say person get asthma attack. What be this asthma attack? Asthma attack now the sudden worsening, as in something be like say, okay, you don't know say this person get asthma. You can't notice say the person will get asthma, all of a sudden, all the symptoms where they experience will just become worse. And with this asthma attack, you go notice say the airways go dey tight, that now for person where they get them, it go come swell up, or they filled up with mucus. So you go notice say they get more mucus inside your system. You go they want, release this mucus. And because of that, some of the symptoms go include coughing, especially for night. When the person they sleep, if he sleep well, go just wake up, they cough. Then on top of that one, that high-pitched whistling sound where I don't tell you about before, what they call wheezing, when they breathe in and out. You go hear them when the person they sleep. You go know say, this one don't pass, be careful. Then on top of that one, they call this one shortness of breath, like as I don't describe, or it go dey difficult to breathe. If they get, because they get enough air, you go they try catch all the small airway if he gets. Then chest tightness, pain or pressure. Not be everybody with this asthma, they experience the same kind of symptom every time. You will get them. They possible say, they get all the symptoms where I don't mention so. Or you go they get different symptoms at different times. Your own, feel they very, very quiet. They disturb anybody. As go be like anything they happen. For example, you go notice say you go just they quick tire. So therefore, go quick if they do the normal activity where they do. Or your body go just be like say no strength. Then some other people, their own symptoms fit vary from mild to severe one, depending on the kind attack where it gets, depending on the kind attack. But the cocoa where I want to enter now one thing we they call status asthmaticus. This one, we're not going to even finish them between today and tomorrow, so you go enter next week. But I go explain what it be now. Status asthmaticus now, acute, here as I talk about severe asthma attack, when they respond to the use of any of those inhalers where they use. You understand? It is acute and it is severe. What that one mean? It go just happen all of a sudden, and the thing, the gbege, it plenty well. And they associate them with symptoms of respiratory failure. As in, most of the time when they see this kind of thing, they go just feel say, your respiratory system don't break down. And this one, they're very life-threatening. They require immediate medical attention. So it is very, very important to be aware, make you know about these severe asthma attacks and prevent them with early intervention. So what will be the symptoms of this severe asthma attack, aka status asthmaticus? What will they happen be say, persistent shortness of breath, as in that shortness of breath why they describe it, like say you they breathing, as in maybe if na normal asthma attack, if you just day small, it go stop. But this one, it go day 1 hour, person still they breathe like that. Then inability to speak in full sentences. For example, you want to say, I am going to the bathroom. Say, I am going, fit form your sentences well. Then even when person they lie down, it could be like say you not feel breathe well. It could be like say then use something, close your chest. Then on top of that one, because the person they get enough oxygen, enough air, especially for people, we go notice blue, it could be like say the lips, they turn blue. Then another thing where they follow them, now agitation, confusion. The person not feel concentrate, inability to concentrate. You go they ask a question, and if he answer you. On top of that one, because the body they try adapt to take in this air, shoulders go come. This one that they call hunchback. It can't be like say a person get hunchback because the body they try expand the rib cage, make air take enter. And on top of that one, your abdominal and neck muscles go they strained. like I talk, we no go fit finish am today or tomorrow. So I go bar break for here because time don't reach make I waka. Tomorrow I go continue the gist on top the status asthmaticus. Make sure you know miss am. My name na Dr. Adora, and this na your health corner for Good Morning Naija show. And Gafuechi.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.